So we start off with oxidation of alcohols to carbonyl compounds. Now there are three classes of alcohol. We have primary alcohols, Then we also have secondary alcohols, Then we also have tertiary alcohols. Those are the three classes of alcohols I am referring. Primary alcohols have a structure. They have a structure RCH2OH. Secondary alcohols have a structure RCH R'OH. Then tertiary alcohols have a structure RC R'. This is R OH R prime. Then there is also R double prime. Yeah. In simple terms, primary alcohols generally have one alkyl group, one R group. Secondary alcohols generally have two R groups. Tertiary alcohols generally have three R groups. Moreover, you see, now look at this highlight in pink. Primary alcohols have a CH2 close to OH. Secondary alcohols have a CH bonded to OH. Then tertiary alcohols, they lack a hydrogen there on C. In simple terms, for primary alcohols, the C that is carrying OH has two hydrogens. For primary alcohols, the C that is carrying OH has two hydrogens. Then for secondary alcohols, the C that is carrying OH has one hydrogen. Tertiary alcohols, the C that is carrying OH has no hydrogen. Now, if you recall what I discussed under oxidation of aldehydes, you remember for oxidation to occur, recall that. Now, if you are watching this for the first time, I'll refer you to the previous sessions. For oxidation to occur, this is kind of redox. The alcohol is oxidized as it reduces the oxidizing agent. It is oxidized as it reduces the oxidizing agent. So I want to say that these first two classes, primary and secondary, they undergo both mild and strong oxidation. They undergo both mild and strong oxidation due to presence of hydrogen atom, bonded to carbon atom, carrying hydroxyl group. Yeah. I have said that primary and secondary, they undergo both mild and strong oxidation due to presence of a hydrogen atom. Now, remember from our previous session, that hydrogen atom reduces the oxidizing agent and as the alcohol is being oxidized. So they undergo oxidation due to presence of hydrogen atom bonded to the carbon carrying the hydroxyl group. Now, this last category here for the tertiary, these tertiary alcohols are not oxidized. They are not oxidized due to lack of hydrogen atom. Due to lack of hydrogen atom on C, due to lack of hydrogen atom on C, on carbon atom carrying hydroxyl group. Yeah, so that is a summary. Hope it is taken note of.